it's easiest to hear this sound at the lowest point of the transmission pan. So I'm going to put the camera right up there so the microphone is right on the lowest point, and then watch this. Did you hear that? Gotta wait about 30 seconds and we'll try it again. Okay, let's try this again. Here we go. Okay, I know you can hear that.